This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French type of wine, famous French appellation making Malbec red wines, or red wines from the Malbec. Some of the most famous Malbec wines outside of Argentina. We are looking at how to pronounce also the city that is called Cahors. Cahors. So the S at the end of Cahors is silent. The H in the middle of Cahors is also silent. The French do not pronounce the H in pretty much any word, except if it's with a C, but that's not the case here. So ignore the H and ignore the S, and you can just say Cahors, Cahors. If you cannot pronounce the French R like the French do, say Cahors, Cahors, Cahors. But do not say Cahors, rather Cahors. Typical French pronunciation again, Cahors. Cahors, the delicious wines from Cahors. Cahors. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.